a video with back-to-back same makeup. Why not? Okay, we are trying to kill two birds with one stone out here. Let me fix my hair, make it a little more wet and shiny, because we are talking about the best hair care products of 2020. Oh boy, I think I've got more requests about the best hair care more than the skincare products. That is saying something of how stressed out we were in the year 2020 that most of us lost most of our hair. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Shweta Vijay, and as the title goes, that's what you're here for. Without wasting much time, let's talk about some stellar hair care products in 2020. I did not experiment as much, and I'll tell you why. Because after delivering my baby, I got to know about postpartum hair fall, and it is real, okay? It's not a myth. And I did not suffer as much. It's only because I did not experiment too much, because when you know something works for you, you stick onto it. You know, working with a known devil, then an unknown devil, and at the same time having your supplements like your iron tablets, your calcium tablets, something worked and my hair looks fine. Okay, you all have noticed that. The first one is OLAPLEX. This is 4 and 5. It's the shampoo and conditioner. It's a heavy duty shampoo and conditioner. A little goes a long way. Extremely expensive, I know, but boy does this protect your hair. It makes your hair so soft. It protects the scalp at the same time. Extremely gentle. It's an SLS free shampoo. And I just love OLAPLEX as a brand. Now, OLAPLEX number 3 is not something that I applied in 2020 because it was difficult to get And for me, the shampoo and conditioner was enough. And I did not miss my number 3 as much, because if I condition my hair, especially with number 5, that is the conditioner, it made my hair super soft. So please give this shampoo and conditioner a chance if you have the budget for it. If you're looking at OLAPLEX as a brand to protect your hair, then that's the brand you need to reach out for. Number 3 is not meant for hair growth. Please, if you're looking out for OLAPLEX to grow your hair, it's not the answer. You use OLAPLEX when your hair has reached an SOS position where there is nothing that can, revive a dead hair. It just doesn't only work for colored hair. I'm talking about even natural hair that has dried and it's dead basically, and you want to revive it. It's like cat with 9 lives. That's what OLAPLEX is all about. The second one is Wilva Goat Milk Shampoo and Conditioner. Again, I have spoken about this so many times. One of the most gentle shampoo and conditioner. Wilva as a brand has completely nailed it with the shampoo and conditioner. Extremely gentle, very, very hydrating. It also maintains a very healthy scalp. Healthy scalp condition is also extremely important. I have mentioned it in my top hair oil video as well of 2020. Check it out. And I did say that if you have hair problems that none of the products can help you, no shampoo, no mask, no hair oil, then you need to visit a trichologist, okay? Because trichology is the study of hair and scalp. I would introduce Wilva because not only is it like reasonable, it's a made in India brand, but if I had a teenage daughter, like tomorrow if she grows up and she's looking out for a very mild cleanser, extremely gentle, doesn't dehydrate your hair strands, it's beautiful. Okay, hand in hand, both of them. You can take that small size as well, because I actually got the tester size before I went on with the big size. It's wonderful. I love the packaging, very, very sustainable, and also you can travel with it because of that metal packaging. Beautifully done by Wilva. The next one is Pure by Priyanka Good Hair Day Shampoo as well as Conditioner. Again, spoken about this. It's wonderful, guys. She has reformulated the shampoo, and not that the old one didn't work for me. It worked pretty well, but the new one, there's a lot more richness to it. It's packed with a lot more moisturizing ingredients. It's so wonderful for the hair. The hair feels nice, soft and shiny, and that conditioner is a sure shot winner from Priyanka. She has nailed it with that conditioner. Just apply that conditioner, leave it on for about half an hour. Makes your hair super soft after you wash your hair. So if you want like a deep conditioning treatment, just try that conditioner. The next one is the MASQUE Protein Shampoo, and oh boy, what a beautiful gentle cleansing shampoo this one is. This is for if you have, there are many irritated scalps out there that's looking out for a shampoo that you can wash on a daily basis. For days that you go to the gym and you've got like, dirty scalp and you work out a lot, or, you're stepping out in a very polluted area because everyone has started going to work, and if you're one of those people that cleanses your hair every day, which shouldn't be the fact, but if you are because of the circumstance and you're looking out for something extremely gentle, the MOISTURIZER is the one for you. And guys, I discovered this while I was carrying Nirvana. I got a whole package of MOISTURIZER products because this is usually formulated for pregnant women, and I just feel that it's very, very gentle. Their body butters are okay, but this one, it's so nice and hydrating, makes the hair nice and soft, and especially if you're pregnant. Even if you're not pregnant, just give this one a shot. The next one is Amrutam Kuntal Hair Spa. You guys, I fell in love with it the moment I tried this for a review. It's only after I tested it out properly I wanted to collaborate with the brand. What a collaboration, because most of you went and purchased it and love Amrutam as well. I would suggest you to please pick up the small version of it and test it out, okay? Because it comes, there's one hair oil, hair mask and a shampoo. They do not have a conditioner. I have a whole separate review on this if you want to see how my hair has worked. It smells beautiful. It's got all the wonderful ingredients. That hair mask and the combination of that shampoo is just a match made in heaven. I did not review the hair oil that time, but I'm testing out the hair oil right now. But what a beautiful combination. And on top of that, for any Ayurvedic, any natural shampoos that I'm showing you right now, you have to condition. That goes without saying. So from midsection all the way to the roots, when you condition with any normal conditioner after using Amrutam, the best part about it is how soft it leaves your hair. It leaves your hair nice, soft and shiny, and it's a very underrated product. But this is the first time I'm coming across a brand that has got that PR marketing strategy, and they're confident about it, and rightly so, because their products are really, really good. Okay, the next one is Reviver Shampoo and Conditioner. This is also something that is an answer to OLAPLEX. Reviver, many of the hair salons out here, I know many of the hair parlors out here in Cochin has it because it's easily available. The Reviver Shampoo and Conditioner, the hair mask especially, is fantastic for treated hair, chemically treated hair, for colored hair, even for hair that is damaged. It is expensive, but it's not as expensive as OLAPLEX. But the way it performs, oh my lord, it is so beautiful. Reviver is something that many hairstylists will ask you to start wearing to maintain the health condition after you do a keratin treatment. So it is that good, and it just leaves your hair extremely soft and it makes your hair shiny. That's the best part. It has been my favorite for years, okay, ever since I discovered it when I was in Bombay. The next one is Just Herbs, and this is the Kumuda hair conditioner. I love this hair conditioner because it's not a heavy duty one. It's a very light, water-based almost kind of a conditioner. That's how I call it, because when you feel the texture of it also, it's not heavy, it's not too oily. So if you have an oily scalp and oily hair but you're still looking out for a conditioner, then you can definitely use the Water Lily Kumuda one. It's got wonderful ingredients. It doesn't weigh down your hair, but at the same time it makes the hair really soft and shiny. You want to know more about it, you can go and see the Best of Just Herbs video, guys. I love this conditioner so much. The next one is the BioLage Matrix Ultra HYDRASOURCE. The shampoo and conditioner, okay, oh my god, is absolutely wonderful, extremely affordable. They are just stellar. If you can't get your hands again on Reviver, I would say go for the BioMatrix. It just makes your hair so alive. Okay, especially if you're someone who has gone for a beach holiday, if you are somebody who likes your swimming pool, if there's a lot of chlorine to your hair feels really dry, dehydrated, dead, then try the BioLage Matrix. It's beautiful. Their hair care products are wonderful and very, very underrated. All the links are listed in the information bar. I'm making this quick only because I don't want this video to be lengthy, alright? The hair color shampoo and the hair moisturizer from Earth Collective. Now, Earth Collective is a brand that I just discovered. It's been about 4 months, and oh boy, I want to try this brand a lot more. The shampoo also is extremely gentle, and if you color your hair at home or you go to the parlor, you're looking out for a beautiful, natural, mild shampoo that will protect your hair and the color, it doesn't bleed when you shampoo it, then please check out this. As well as the hair moisturizer, it's like a serum that you apply on damp hair or on hair that is not damp as well. You just want to set your hair and you just apply the moisturizer. Oh my god, it makes your hair so soft. It's such a beautiful brand. Please check this one out. Again, the link is there in the information bar. I love this brand so much, guys. Just try the hair moisturizer. Forget the shampoo, just try this hair moisturizer, the serum, and your hair is going to fall in love with it because it's that lightweight. It doesn't give that oily feeling, but at the same time, it leaves your hair feeling really well conditioned and soft. It's wonderful. Now moving on to some hair maintaining products. Okay, the first one is the Cantu Shea Butter Curl Activator Cream. This is the one, and I got this from London from Amazon, and this is an Amazon bestseller. Now if you want your hair to naturally be curly without any heating device, this is the one that you use. You use it on damp hair, tie your hair, braid your hair, go to sleep, and the next day you're going to have these ringlets that are so beautiful, okay? And it just protects and hydrates your hair because there's a lot of hair curling products that leave your hair very, very dry, and this hydrates your hair. It's wonderful. I'll try to search this on Amazon India, but if you're in the UK, then definitely check the link out and get it and grab it because you're getting so much and you just require a little to condition your hair and to curl your hair. The next one is the Bonicure Peptide Repair Cream. This is the only thing that I apply when I use a heating device because not only does it protect my hair from the heat, but also it protects my hair from UV radiation. So whenever I step out on days that I just air dry my hair, I apply the serum and I know it is protecting my hair. It makes my hair feel so conditioned and very, very soft, and it just removes those tangles, okay, because my hair gets very easily knotted up. This is a wonderful one, less than 500, really incredible. I think this has to be one of my most favorite serum to apply before using a heating device. It completely protects. A heat protectant, this is the one you reach out for. The next one is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Oh boy, what a beautiful dry shampoo this one is. I'm not a big dry shampoo fan because of the residue it leaves on my hair. It definitely makes your hair all voluminous and you know, it makes your hair feel really clean. It just doesn't, it makes my hair very dry for some strange reason. But this one from the Living Proof has got ingredients that actually cleanses your scalp. So even when it is doing something of taking that oily residue away from your strands and your scalp, it's also cleansing your scalp as if you have washed your hair. That's the best part about the Living Proof one, and it is UK's #1 dry shampoo, and rightly so, because once I started using this, I started comparing every other dry shampoo to it because it was just not, you know, meeting my expectation, because this one is exceeded my expectation. It is that wonderful. All right. Then the next one is the Earth Rhythm Camellia Jamaican Black Castor Oil Serum. You guys know how much I love Jamaican Black Castor Oil in general, but I love the serum from Earth Rhythm. It doesn't have that toasty fragrance like a proper black Jamaican castor oil, nor is it as dark and dense. This is lighter because it's almost like a serum oil, but I think there's a lot more of camellia added to it and very less of Jamaican black castor oil from what I can feel and you know what I have played around with. That's the sense I got. But saying that, it's a beautiful hair serum that just makes your hair extremely shiny. If you guys are not into oiling, why aren't you not into oiling, number one? But if you're not, then just put this on your hair strand and you can just feel the texture. It completely meshes with your hair strand. It just kind of like merges, okay? There's nothing like it gives you that oily texture. You just need a very little bit if you just want your hair to feel very, very shiny. That's what camellia oil does. It's excellent for the hair. It protects the shine of your hair strands, and a combination of that and black Jamaican castor oil is just wonderful. So at night time you can apply this on your roots as well, give your scalp a nice massage. If you're not into oil, you can definitely try the serum. Fantastic product from the Earth Rhythm. Color Wow Extra Mystical Shine Spray is wow. Okay, it just provides this shine to the hair. I don't know if you can see that. I applied a flaxseed gel right now, which is also in the list, and on top of that I applied this shine, and it just makes my hair look very, very healthy. It's a beautiful shiny product. Like if you're going for a wedding or for any function, before you step out, just spray this on your hair, and it gives your hair this shine, this healthy shine to the hair. It just makes everyone go like, wow, what ad have you walked out of? You know, it's like one of those L'Oreal ads, though we all know that those extensions and wigs, that's a whole different point, but this gives you that shine that we see on television. A must have. This is so incredible. If you know of a spray that gives you proper hair shine that is available in India, please let me know, because it's so difficult right now, unless I go to the UK, of course. You know, if you are into shopping at Cult Beauty, then check this one out, okay? Now the next one is the Indulgio Hair Vitalizer. I've got the other one from Indulgio, the promoter as well, but I like the hair vitalizer a lot more, and I got this after listening to Shreya Jain talk about this. Guys, this is really nice. It's got all the essential oils, so if you're not an essential oil fan, this is not the one for you. And this is something that you apply on your scalp, and what I love about it, it's got that watery consistency. This is not something that is going to make your hair extremely oily. There's nothing heavy to it. It's got this water consistency. I'm just going to apply that right now. Apply this on your scalp, okay? Nice cooling water, and just massage your scalp. And first of all, the fragrance that it leaves behind, it's beautiful, okay? So if you want your hair to smell really nice, then you apply this all over your scalp. It's wonderful. It's protecting your hair scalp. I definitely love this. I use this right after shower. It doesn't have to be applied only on damp hair because it is so watery. There's nothing oily about it. It completely dissolves into the scalp. So a complete winner for me from Indulgio. This is such a beautiful product. Okay, so the next one is Be Blunt hair color, the hair color that I completely enjoyed in 2020. Anybody asking me what I have been doing to, you know, color my hair with, it's Be Blunt. I used it in my 3rd trimester. It's ammonia free. It was safe for me. For me, hair color doesn't stay on my strands for a very long time, so I rely on something that is extremely affordable, that doesn't make my hair fall off from my scalp or irritate my scalp, because many hair color gives me that itchy feeling. Be Blunt did not do that. So that is my go-to color of 2020. I love the burgundy color as well as dark brown. Then the Color Fix Instant Root Cover is something that also I relied on in 2020. Every time I did not want to color my hair, for example, right now, that's what I have applied. If I've got white hair, it is easy for me to take the spray it on my roots, and it looks as if I have colored my hair. It gives me an instant root cover up. Beautiful product, cruelty free. It's from Superdrug. If you're in the UK or you're traveling to the UK, please make sure you restock on this, because L'Oreal has the same thing. It's wonderful, but it's not cruelty free, okay? And it actually, in my 1st and 2nd trimester, it was the only thing I relied on whenever I face the camera, as to just spray it on my roots, and it washes off when you go and wash your head off. It's that simple. So the last one that made it to the list is a flaxseed gel. That's what I have applied right now for that very wet shine, and this is my favorite gel. If you're looking out for a hair gel that has got better products, then try the Flax Jello from N Cosmetics. I just love it because flaxseed in general is known to help your hair. It promotes hair growth. So if you're getting a hair gel that has got flaxseed in it, as well as a few essential oils in it that is very, very good for the hair, why not use that, okay? And of course, you can make your own flaxseed, but I'm just saying, for a lazy girl like me, this is more than enough. You just need a little bit, and you can just, you know, put this on the strand to give you this very wet hair look, or you like that sleek back kind of a look and you're looking out for a safe variant, a gel variant, instead of using those hard gels that are actually quite damaging for the hair in the long run, then you can try out this from N Cosmetics. I have been loving this so much. This is the one, guys, that I recommended. I bought from my best friend Melissa, and she got a damaged one from Nykaa. So I would suggest you to please buy it straight away from N Cosmetic website. So these are the best hair products. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I love you very much, and until later, bye for now.